Ayun, Sophia guys, so hindi makaantay. So, tinanggal ko na to guys. Nakalimutan ko itanggal nung isang araw. So, ayan. Ayan yung harap namin. Ayun, Sophia guys, so hindi makaantay. Go change your shoes, love. You're gonna be feel cold.
But where's my boots?
Yeah, your boots.
Where are my boots?
So, ayan yung harap namin guys. Ayan, still snowing.
Mom, where's
Oh.
my gloves?
Hold on, you're gonna get it. You're gonna feel cold. Come on.
Could you give me my boots too?
Hold on.
Could I wait out here?
No, you cannot because mommy hen is cold. Come on.